Welcome to today's video on cognitive science, a fascinating and multidisciplinary field that bridges the gap between psychology, neuroscience, anthropology, philosophy, computer science, and linguistics, all unified by a central quest to understand the workings of the human mind. Cognitive science seeks to answer fundamental questions about how our minds process information, how we perceive the world around us, how language shapes our thoughts, and how consciousness arises. It delves into how we remember, learn, and problem solve. In today's rapidly advancing technological era, cognitive science also extends its reach to artificial intelligence, exploring how machines can mimic human mental processes. One of the foundational concepts in cognitive science is the idea of mental representation. This is about how our minds create internal models of the external world to understand and interact with our environment. Here's where cognitive psychology plays a crucial role, offering insights into attention, memory, perception, and decision-making processes. Neuroscience contributes by offering a microscopic lens through which we can observe the physical structure and functional pathways of the brain. Through techniques like fMRI and PET scans, we can peek into the brain's activities in real time. Linguistics adds another dimension by examining how language, a unique human faculty, influences thought and communication. It asks questions like, how do children acquire language so effortlessly? And how does our linguistic ability evolve? Philosophy, meanwhile, provides the critical questions about the nature of thought, the limits of knowledge, and the essence of consciousness itself. Cognitive scientists often grapple with age-old philosophical questions, now armed with empirical data and modern-day techniques. With the dawn of artificial intelligence, we are witnessing an exciting era where cognitive science is influencing how we develop intelligent systems. By understanding how humans think and learn, AI researchers aim to create more sophisticated and nuanced AI systems that can interact with us more naturally. In summary, cognitive science is an evolving and interdisciplinary field that plays a crucial role in helping us understand the complexities of the human mind. It's about deciphering how we know the world around us, creating models that can benefit both scientific knowledge and technological advancement. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.